everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you increase your share impression on Google Ads. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website ads.google.com and log into your account. If you do not have an account guys, go ahead and register for an account, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your campaigns that you have created and the new campaigns that you can make. So guys, we want to go ahead and find the campaign that we want to target our impressions for. So we want to go ahead first and click on this option right here at the left side of the screen called settings. So guys, go ahead and click on settings, and after clicking on settings guys, you want to go ahead and click on this option right here called campaign settings. So guys, go ahead and click on that, and here then you will be able to find all of your campaigns that you want. Let's go ahead and click on one that we can see, and as you can see here guys, now we have a couple of options that we can use to edit our campaign. So as you can see, almost last option right here is called bidding. So go ahead and click on bidding right here guys. Clicking on bidding, you want to go ahead and click on this blue button right here called change bid strategy. So clicking on change bid strategy guys, now this will open up this new window where you will have this option called what you want to focus on. Clicking on this guys, this will open up this new tab where you can click that you want to focus on impression share. So go ahead and click impression share guys, type in what percent you want, type in how much money you want to allow for this to go to impression shares, choose what kind of option you want, and then click save, and then you will have changed and increased your impression shares. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.